Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show how you can hide and unhide any folder in your Windows computer very easily. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So let me create one folder by right clicking the mouse and creating one folder. Say I will name it as testing. So you can see this folder, right? So how you can hide it very easily without using any third-party software. So what you need to do is just right click on this folder and you can see in the properties. So here you can see hidden. Just click on it and below you can see apply. Just click apply and after that click OK. Now you can see the folder is gone. Now how you can unhide it or how you will bring it back or how you will search this hidden folder. So it's very simple. As you can see here in the up toolbar, you can see a view. Just tap on it and you can see here on the right corner as a hidden items. Just enable it. Boom, it's back. So still it's like a hidden folder. So if you don't want to hide it anymore, what you need to do is just right click it, go to the properties again and just untick this hidden, click apply, click OK and boom. So in this way it is very easy how to hide and unhide any respective folders in your Windows computer. So in my opinion it's a very cool tricks to hide and unhide any folders. So in my opinion you should definitely try it out if you've never tried it before. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.